Welcome. Our projects are personal expense tracker application. My team members are Surya, Vasant, Prabhakaran, Anand and Kartikeyan. Now we see problem statement. There is a lot of budget fixing software that are available online, but some of this software falls short in helping users to actually create and stick to a budget. One of the drawbacks is the ongoing maintenance. All users' financial accounts and consolidating their activity into one dashboard. However, through some of the existing software mostly has complicated features that are not user friendly.
This is proposed solution. We have separated two columns, parameter and description. Parameter problem statements. There is a lot of budget fixing software that are available online, but some of these software fall shortly in helping user to actually create and stick to a budget. Next, idea and solution description. Due to the busy and hectic life cycle, people tend to overlook their budget and end up spending an expensive amount of money since they are usually did not plan their budget wisely.
This is our technical architecture, user interface, and add the expenses applications and store the customer's expenses tracker and synchronize the messages. This is our performance matrices. It is store the backend data on the cloud database IBM.
Future scope. Future scope, the expensive trackers can be enhanced by adding the features to the incorporate the shared experience group apart from the keeping personal expensive log. Proposals to the add different currency will be added so that application is not just limited to USA but also can be used the worldwide and the currency. Converters will be designed and added in order to convert the different currency rates. Added to make it more user friendly and lesser use intensive when the users tries to add the same category or vendor to an expensive income records. Thank you to all.
This is our project personal expense tracker application. This is our service page. This is about. This is contact. This is login. Click login. Then you can click register. You can enter the name, mail ID, password, click the checkbox and create account. It will create a new account. Then you can login page. Username, enter password, click login button. It will goes to another page. Now you can click add button. You can add your expenses, date, time, expenses name, expense amount, pay method, category and then click add button. It will add it to the history. This is expense page. You can edit and update it the expenses. Then you can enter the limited. It will show the report today, month, year. It shows the pie chart for that. Then log out the page.